let's start off with the beginner's guide into freelancing. What is freelancing? Freelancing is a form of self-employment engaged in by a freelancer, who then is a freelancer. A freelancer is an individual who earns money on a per job basis from a remote work from home job. Here are the three types of remote work from home freelance jobs. 1. Contract to hire. 2. Contract consultant. And 3. Contract jobs. Example of contract jobs include consultancy, social media management, and accounting. Of course, there are advantages and disadvantages of freelancing. Here are examples of the disadvantages of freelancing. Number 1, no employee benefit. Number 2, no guaranteed fixed income. The advantages of freelancing include: number 1, flexibility. Number 2, control or leverage. In freelancing, you have the leverage to decide your pay, when to work, and how to get the job done. And now, let's go over the 6 steps in getting started in freelancing. Step 1, learn, develop, and master a skill of your choice. In order to choose a skill, you need a list to pick from. Here is the list of the best freelancing skills in 2024. Number 1, logo design. Number 2, book and art design. Number 3, copywriting. Number 4, proofreading and editing. Number 5, video editing. Number 6, voiceovers. Number 7, web development. Number 8, data entry. Number 9, virtual assistant, and user testing as number 10. Remember, not all freelancing skills are easy to learn, but here are top 3 freelancing skills easy to learn in 2024. Number 1, data entry. Number 2, proofreading, and number 3, voiceover. You can learn freelancing skills using an online course, or you subscribe to this channel and watch out for the playlist. I will organize the videos in the playlist using a freelancing course outline. Now that you've learned a skill, let's go over to the next step. Step 2, sign up on a freelancing website. A lot of people ask me, which freelancing website should I sign up on? My answer, all. And in order to sign up on all freelancing websites, you need to know the best freelancing website. Here is the list of the 7 best freelancing websites. 1, Fiverr. 2, TopTal. 3, Upwork. 4, Freelancer.com. 5, FlexJobs. 6, Guru. And 7, People Per Hour. For this sign up illustration, I'll choose Fiverr. The sign-up process is the same for all platforms, and you don't have to worry if you can do it in your country, because Fiverr accepts people from the following countries. TopTal accepts people from the following countries. Upwork accepts people from the following countries, and Freelancer.com accepts people from the following countries. Now that you've successfully created your account, let's go to the next step. Step 3, set up your gig. What is a gig? A gig is a freelance service done with a skill set. Example, if you have a design skill set, you'll be creating design gigs. It is important that you become familiar with freelancing terminologies in order to enhance your communication with employers. Here are a few you need to know: deliverables, bio, portfolio, retainer, revision, cold mail, warm mail, sales funnel, byline. And let's move on to the next step. Step 4, advertise your gig. To do this, you have to set up an official account for your gig on all social media platforms, especially LinkedIn. The more visible you become, the higher the chances of getting a job. If you need a high-paying job from clients, 3 things you must do. Number 1, deliver quality services. Number 2, get a recommendation. Number 3, get leads from your Google business profile and LinkedIn. Keep in mind, you might not get a job instantly. It might take somewhere around 30 days before you can get a job. With that, let's go to the next step. Step 5, get the job done using popular freelancing tools. Depending on the kind of job you're doing, you'll need a software, an app, a website, or an AI tool. To explain the use of these, let's look at the best high-paying freelancing jobs. They include: 1, web development. 2, graphic design. 3, content development. Example, writing. For this illustration, we'll use writing. Here are examples of tools used by writers: 1, Grammarly, and 2, ChatGPT. And finally, step 6, improve your skills daily and keep receiving payment. This is the secret of all successful freelancers. If you want to become a successful freelancer, you must keep improving on your skills daily. Sign up for that tutorial, pay for that subscription, get that software. All this will better enhance your skill and make you more successful. In 6 steps, this is how to make $100,000 freelancing. Step 1, learn, develop, and master a skill. Step 2, sign up on a freelancing website. Step 3, set up your freelancing gig. Step 4, advertise your gig online. Step 5, get the high-paying job done with popular freelancing skills. And step 6, improve on your skills daily and keep receiving payment. If there's anything you want me to explain more in details, or you have a question on freelancing, let me know in the comment below. I'll be glad to answer that. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, and share. Cheers.